Here we have an Excelsior Diatonic button accordion, an Acadian style accordion, in the key of C. It has 4 sets of treble reeds on the right-hand side that are engaged by pressing down on these levers on the top. So, we start off with this reed. And then we have these two together. So you have 2 middles playing, or you can have just that single middle. And you can get these 3, 2 middles and a low. Or the low by itself. You have the piccolo by itself. Or all 4 of them engaged to get this. There are your middles together. There's your low and high. And in any various combination. Over here on the left-hand side, we just have the 2 buttons that signify for the chords that are able to be played. So you have the tonic, the C, in going, and G, the dominant, going out. There's an air button back here so that you can get it, as well as the traditional thumb rest. Here are all the buttons going in and out.